Good morning student, this is your science class 6. This is your science lecture unit number 9, work and machine. In this lecture we will read page number 109 to 111. First our topic is work and machine. Machine is a device which uses force to do a particular work. It makes our work easy. For example, in a car we can travel long distance in a short period of time. Machine cannot work on their own as they need some kind of energy to function. A car needs petrol to burn as a fuel, and sewing machine is driven by an electric motor. The kind of energy which are needed to run machine can be mechanical, electrical or chemical. All machines need a steady supply of energy to keep them working. Effort, works and power. Work is said to be done on an object when it moves in a direction of applied force. The amount of work that a machine does depend upon amount of effort. What is effort? Effort is the force applied by a body to do work. If one person push a car, he will be able to push it slowly and over a short distance. But if two or more persons push the same car, they will be able to push it faster and further. The amount of work done by a machine in unit time is called power of that machine. A simple machine. Simple machine is a mechanical device that helps to work easier to perform. It also helps people to work faster and more efficiently. For example, to move a heavy object such as cupboard or to roll an object uphill. The 6 simple machines are pulley, screw, inclined plane, wheel and axle, wedge and lever. Simple machines have no or very few moving parts. The function of a machine may be one or more of the following. First, transferring force from one place to another, changing the direction of force, increasing the size of force and increasing the speed or distance covered by the force. At page number 1111, there is an activity, remember and understand, fill in the blank. Student, you have to solve this activity on your book. Number 1, machine help us in our work. Number 2, machine need dash to do work, energy. Number 3, the moving part of a machine become hot due to dash, friction. Number 4, machine transfer dash from one part of another and keep changing dash. Machine transfer force from one part to another and keep changing direction. The amount of work a machine does depend upon the amount of force applied to it. Number 6. The amount of work a machine does in a unit of time is called power of the machine. Kinds of simple machine. There are different kinds of simple machine. First we will discuss lever. A lever is a board or bar that rests on a turning point called fulcrum. The object that lever moves is called load. The closer the object to the fulcrum, the easier it is to move. For example, the hammer acts as a lever when it is used to pull a nail out of a piece of wood. Other examples are bottle opener and spoon. Classes of lever. There are 3 classes of lever. First class. In first class, fulcrum is present between load and effort. A downward effort results in upward movement. For example, scissors, spoon, screwdriver, seesaw. There are in the diagram there are different type of first class of lever. Student, now your lecture is complete. There is your home task. Do reading page number 109 to 1111 and learn definition of effort, work and power.